Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. If you're a fan of air frying and pressure cooking, then you're going to love the 3 layers air fryers rack stackable grid grilling rack. This innovative gadget is a game changer for your kitchen, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let me tell you about the convenience of this rack. The stackable design is a game changer, allowing you to save space in your air fryer or pressure cooker. You can make multiple dishes at the same time, and thanks to the individually removable trays, you can adjust the layers to suit the amount of food you're cooking. But that's not all. With 3 stackable layers, you'll have plenty of room to dry fruits and meats, making it easier than ever to create delicious, nutritious snacks. And because it's made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, you can trust that this rack is safe, durable, and easy to clean. Speaking of cleaning, the mesh basket design of each stackable rack makes it super easy to take out your food without any mess or hassle. And with different shapes and sizes available, you can choose the perfect fit for your air fryer or pressure cooker. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this really worth it? Well, I can assure you that it is. Not only is this rack incredibly convenient and versatile, but it also comes with a satisfaction guarantee. We want you to have a pleasant shopping experience and to feel confident in your purchase. So, if you're ready to take your air frying and pressure cooking to the next level, then click the link in the description to get your 3 layers air fryers rack stackable grid grilling rack today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Happy cooking!